Alright, first of all, before I get to the reviews, made a mistake in the last episode. That was 2, and I put 3. So yeah, I just wanted to clarify that. Here is the pistols episode 3. Here is it's mostly metal and plastic. The barrel's metal. Most of the body's plastic, but all the upper receiver's metal. I love this pistol. Yeah, the magazine release is here. And it's spring. Here's the trigger. Take your switches on the side. Yeah, there you go. It's cocked. Is it shooting? And this can also do this. Doesn't really do anything. It doesn't shoot anything. If you do that, but yeah. Then here's the flash hider, and here is the barrel. Yep. Alright, so yeah, that's my Airsoft reviews. Yep, this is episode 3. And my next one will be kits. So, bye.